What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings and I have my Allure Beauty Box from March. I did cancel my Allure Beauty Box subscription. I paid for the annual, so I will not be renewing it. I'm just collecting a little bit too much product, and between all the beauty subscriptions I have, Ipsy seems to be my favorite. So let's see what the March Allure box has inside. Gorgeous girl. Spring forward. Has a little sneak peek of the products. Let's just get right into it. First thing I see is Melt Away Hair Dissolving Cream. Hair dissolving. Guava butter face and body. Effortlessly remove undesired hair from head to toe with gentle botanical rich formula guava fruit. Hair dissolving cream? Wait, do you like leave this on? Wow, so this is like a Nair. You like literally put it on and wait a little bit and wipe it away. That is not what I was expecting in this box. It has that Nair type smell mixed with like a little fruity smell. Holy cow, I need to put that like far away from my body lotions. Can you imagine? Really interesting. Okay, do you guys remember Nair? It was like everything in the 90s. Like Nair, everything. Okay, then we have the Blossom Essentials Hydrating Oil, Marula and Golden Jojoba, matte plastic component. It doesn't smell like anything, just like a basic hydrating face oil. Then we have the Lumi Deodorant Sweat Control. Interesting. Smells terrible. Ew, it literally smells like powder and roses. No, thank you. I personally like to sweat. I think it's really good for your lymphatic system. I do use deodorant, but not antiperspirant. I will not be using that product. Okay. Then we have the True Skin Lips Sculpted in Mulberry. I'm gonna try this now. Love a lip liner. Really cute component. Test it. Ooh, that is a color I can get into. Let's see. I do have like this peachy lip on. Cute. Hold on. Did I just make a new lip combo? Ooh. That I really like. Wow, okay. All right, this little guy might have just saved this box because this is a great product. Yes, love that. Then there's this Carrot Keratin Calming Water Pad. Okay. I don't know if it's a face mask or like eye patches, it doesn't say. Oh. I'm assuming the little carrot is showing me what to do. It's probably just two little circles you put on your face. Cute. Rose Ink Blush and Azalea. This is the one you got to pick the color of, and I was really drawn to this like, it's like a dusty berry color. I'm not sure. Very pretty. Oh, it's a cream blush. I do already have makeup on and I really don't want to ruin my makeup. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I've been trying the new brushes from Haus Toolbox Beauty and I'm obsessed. I can't believe I haven't used them sooner because they're really that good. Like, they truly are that good. Oh gosh, I'm nervous. Every time I try out a cream blush product, I like totally ruin my makeup. And I really don't want to do that because I'm filming. I have like more stuff to film. Do we see the difference? That's it right there in my hand. It's really beautiful. she's cute. We like her. Okay, very good, very good. And lastly in here is the Grown Alchemist Smoothing Hand Cream. Love Grown Alchemist. So, the scent is really light. It's almost like lemon balm. Lovely. That is what was in my Allure Beauty Box for March. Honestly, that might have been one of the best Allure Beauty Boxes of the year so far. It had 2 really phenomenal products. These 2, honestly, love these 2 and the color combo together. Again, I will not be renewing that subscription. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and thank you for watching.